so we are here and we're going to do, I'm gonna give us about like 3 hours. It shouldn't take that long. There's 2 of us doing this, so 3 hours. It shouldn't take us that long since it's 2 of us. This is a pretty big house, but we're just gonna knock it out. We're cleaning. We're basically doing a deep clean on all of it. It should take 3 hours. It shouldn't take that long. We're gonna fold all the clothes. Again, she's a single mom, 5 children, so I try to come and help as much as I can. Yeah. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna turn on some crunk music and we're gonna just gonna do our thing.
I'm a lit kid B.
You guys, so I am done cleaning the house. It took longer than I expected. Ashley, it took a long time, right?
Yeah, it did. Over 3 hours.
Over 3 hours. But we got it done. It is a very well lived in home. So this should last. It should last. If it doesn't, that's okay, because there's 5 kids here, 1 adult, so it's very well lived in. This is the end. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now that we're done. Peace.